Ready to transform raw data into actionable strategies that fuel your business growth using Looker Studio. First, connect your data sources to Looker Studio, whether it's Google Analytics, Google Sheets, or a database. Ensure your data is flowing seamlessly into your reports. Click Create, then Data Source, and select your desired connector. Authenticate your account and choose the specific data you want to import. Now you are one step closer to analyzing. Next, dive into data segmentation. Use filters to isolate specific customer groups or time periods. You can segment by demographics, behavior, or any relevant dimension. Creating targeted reports allows for focused analysis, such as comparing website traffic of different age groups. To add a filter, right-click on a chart and select Add Filter. Identifying trends is crucial. Use line charts to visualize data over time. Look for patterns, spikes, and dips. Add annotations to highlight significant events or changes in strategy that might explain these trends. For example, did a marketing campaign cause a spike in sales? To create a line chart, select Line Chart from the Add a Chart menu and drag and drop it onto the canvas. Then, leverage calculated fields for predictive analysis. Create new metrics based on existing data to forecast future outcomes. For example, calculate customer lifetime value or predict churn rates. Now use the Add a Chart menu to create a dashboard of all your findings. This step helps you proactively address potential challenges and capitalize on opportunities. Congratulations on learning how to make strategic decisions from data.